Hello everyone, welcome to VMS class. In this lesson, let us introduce one of the popular editor for Python programming is IDLE. So IDLE stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. Okay? Integrated Development and Learning Environment. So it is the default editor that comes with the Python. When you install Python, so this editor will come automatically. You no need to install separately this editor. So this is helpful for beginners to write and execute the Python programs easily. Python ideally provides a Python editor. It provides the interactive shell. You can also see the syntax highlighting, even the keywords are the special classes so that are highlighted in this when you are writing the code. And it also has auto indentation, the debugging support. All these features are provided by the IDLE. This IDLE is automatically installed along with Python. As mentioned, you no need to separately install this IDE. When you installed Python from the python.org, this IDLE will come automatically into your system. So these are the main features of Python IDLE. The major features are it is a beginner friendly interface. If you are the very first time you are using the Python or a beginner, then you can use IDLE. It also provides the interactive Python shell, script editor, syntax highlighting, auto indentation, and you can execute your programs easily. We have a debugger tool, built-in debugger, and I suggest it is best for beginners, those who are learning Python. Coming to the IDLE window, Python IDLE mainly consists of two parts. One is a Python shell, another one is a script editor. Okay, Python shell and script editor. The Python shell execute one statement at a time. Okay, it will execute only one statement at a time. And when you want to test a single line, so this Python shell can be very useful. Okay, so Python shell execute one statement at a time and it is used for quick testing. And this ideally also supports a script editor. If you want to write a program which is having more than one lines, or you want to write the complete Python program, you can use this script editor, which is used to write complete Python programs. And Python programs also can be saved with the .py extension. You have to write the file name, okay, program name .py as an extension. So you can write and execute a single statement using the Python shell. You can also write a very big program and save it. Later you can execute it with the help of script editor. Okay. So what are the advantages of using this Python IDLE? The biggest advantage is it comes with the Python installation automatically. No additional setup is required. I don't suggest for the beginners, those who are very new to the programming, to use any complicated tools like Anaconda or Visual Studio. This ideally is very lightweight and fast, even if your computer is having less RAM. So you can execute this Python programs in ideally efficiently. And it is easy to understand and it is ideal learning for Python fundamentals. So my recommendation is the beginners can start with ideally before moving to the professional editors like Visual Studio Code or Python, Spider, etc. Okay, let's have some basic interview questions. What is Python ideally? It is the default integrated development and learning environment that comes with Python. It allows us to write, edit, run, and debug your Python programs. Ideally stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. Is Python ideally an IDE? So we can say yes. Python IDLE is a basic IDE designed mainly for beginners. It includes a code editor, Python shell, and debugging features also. What is the difference between Python shell and script editor in IDLE? The Python shell it is used to execute individual Python statements immediately. You can execute a single line statements using Python shell, while the script editor it is used to write, save and execute your complete Python programs. Why is Python ideally recommended for beginners? Because Python ideally has a simple interface, requires no additional installation, and provides everything needed to start learning Python, making it ideal for beginners. Can professional developers use Python ideally? The answer is yes. But most professional developers prefer the advanced editors like VS Code, PyCharm, Spider, because they offers additional features like the project management, Git integration, advanced debugging, and extension support. So that's why the professional developers will prefer the advanced IDEs. Okay, thank you. I will see you in the next lesson.